Iran and South Arabia with availability of land transport that accounts for the specific waste imports and exports. This means that when it comes to their market drivers, their global competition provides seamless transportation, and they provide seamless transportation, which means to say that their market is accessible enough, and the cost of transportation and distribution of goods is low but the quality is high, and this is became the country's competitive advantage of freight. This is the Tower of Freight. This is called the Liberation Tower of Freight. It is one of the largest telecommunication towers around the world. These towers and telecommunications divided in three working areas. The first one is the public communication center. The second one is the providing resort and the levels of the resort. And the third one is the restaurant. With this, it affects marketing firms and strategy by providing excellent service quality for the